Elevators, the vertical transportation devices that have revolutionized urban architecture and made high-rise buildings possible, have a captivating history that spans several centuries. From early simple hoists to the sophisticated high-speed elevators of today, the evolution of this essential mode of transportation reflects human ingenuity and the quest for more efficient vertical mobility. Early hoists and lifts. The history of elevators can be traced back to ancient civilizations where basic lifting mechanisms, like the Egyptian and Greek hoists, were used for moving heavy objects and building materials. These early hoists laid the foundation for vertical transportation systems. Medieval windlass and pulleys. In the Middle Ages, the windlass and pulleys were employed to lift materials and goods in various constructions, but they were not designed for human transportation. The Renaissance efforts. During the Renaissance period, architects and engineers began experimenting with lifting platforms for human transportation. The first recorded attempt at a passenger elevator was made by King Louis XV's physician, Dr. Dionys, who installed a primitive lifting device in the Château de Versailles in the 18th century. Steam-powered elevators. The Industrial Revolution brought about significant advancements in elevator technology. In the early 19th century, steam-powered elevators were introduced, providing more reliable and efficient vertical transportation. Hydraulic elevators. In the mid-19th century, the development of hydraulic elevators marked a breakthrough in elevator technology. The use of pressurized water allowed for smoother and faster lifting operations, making hydraulic elevators popular in low to mid-rise buildings. Elisha Otis and safety mechanisms. In 1852, Elisha Otis invented the safety brake, a pivotal development that made elevators safer for passenger use. The safety brake prevented the elevator from falling if the hoisting cable broke, assuring the public of their reliability. Electric elevators and skyscraper revolution. The invention of electric elevators by Werner von Siemens and others in the late 19th century revolutionized vertical transportation. Electric elevators were more versatile, faster, and suitable for high-rise buildings, paving the way for the construction of skyscrapers. The birth of skyscrapers. With the availability of reliable electric elevators, the construction of skyscrapers became feasible in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Buildings like the Woolworth Building, 1913, and the Empire State Building, 1931, utilized advanced elevators to reach unprecedented heights. High-speed elevators and modern advancements. In the latter half of the 20th century, high-speed elevators with advanced control systems became standard in tall buildings, drastically reducing travel times between floors. Pneumatic and maglev elevators. In recent years, innovative elevator technologies, such as pneumatic and maglev elevators, have emerged. Pneumatic elevators use air pressure to move cabins, while maglev elevators utilize magnetic levitation for smoother rides and increased energy efficiency. The history of elevators is a testament to human innovation and its impact on the evolution of architecture and urban landscapes. From simple hoists to advanced high-speed elevators, these vertical transportation systems have not only made tall buildings possible but also transformed the way we live, work, and navigate modern cities. As technology continues to advance, elevators will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping the future of urban development and vertical mobility, ensuring that our cities continue to reach new heights.